Okay, all of you, good afternoon. So, our next topic is inventory control. Okay, so inventory control. First, what is inventory? So, inventory is nothing but inventory means all the materials, parts, supplies, expense tools, and in process or finished products. In process or finished products recorded on the books by an organization and kept in its stocks are kept in stocks, warehouses, or any plant, okay, for the some period of time. Okay, so inventory means nothing but sorry for the disturbance. So inventory means nothing but all the materials, next parts, next supplies, expense tools, expense tools, and in process or finished products. Finished products. Okay, these all are recorded on the books by an organization and kept in its stock or warehouses or a or plant for the some period of time. Okay, so this is called as inventory. So this inventory is an essential part of an organization. Okay, so every business or manufacturing organization, uh, however it has same, they have to maintain some inventories. Okay, some aspects are various aspects of inventory analysis are. So first point, inventories are nothing but these are the piles of raw materials. Okay, piles of raw materials and finished goods in the warehouse. Okay, inventories are the piles of raw materials and finished goods in the warehouse. Okay, so next point, all the materials, parts, and in process or finished products which is recorded by the books, it should be books by an organization, and it's same point. Okay, inventories kept in its stores, warehouses, and plants. Okay, is called as inventories. Next, this inventory is nothing but it is a names list of names, quantity, and monetary values or monetary values of all or any group of items. Okay, so next point, this inventory is a detailed list of those movable items. Okay, movable items, movable items. Okay, so which are necessary to manufacture a product and to maintain the equipment. Okay, so inventory is nothing but it is a detailed list of those movable items which are necessary to manufacture a product and to maintain the equipments and machinery in good working order. Okay, so the quantity and value of every item, it should be mentioned in the list. Okay, so this is about the introduction of inventory control. Okay, so next, what is the importance of inventory? Okay, so what is the importance of inventory? Importance. So here importance of inventory are, first point, it provides and maintain good customer service. Good customer service. Yes. ఏం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది? Okay, so first point is it provides and maintains good customer service. Okay, and next point is it enables smooth flow of goods. It enables smooth flow of goods, customer goods through the production service, through the production process. Okay, next point, it provides the protection against the uncertainty of demand and supply. Demand and supply. So it provides the protection against the uncertainties of demand and supply. And next point is various production operations can be performed. Various production operations can be performed economically and independently. Okay, so various production operations can be performed economically and independently, and it can allow temporary variation in operating rates. Okay, Mm, it can allow temporary variations in operating rates, in operating rates. And next point is it ensures a reasonable utilization of equipment and labor. Okay, and next point is with purchases in bulk discount can be availed. Bulk discount can be availed. Okay, so next is objectives of inventory control. Okay, so what are the objectives? Okay, objectives. So first objective is to supply the materials in time. To supply the materials in time. Okay, next second point is to give maximum client service. Next point, to reduce or minimize investment in inventories. Next point is to avoid shortage of stock. And next point is to minimize the losses. Okay, next point, to minimize the idle time by avoiding the stock outs and shortages. Okay, to minimize the idle time by avoiding stock outs and shortages. Okay, next point is control of stock volumes. Next point, control of stock distribution. Okay, so these are the 8 objectives of inventory control. Okay, so what are the first point? Materials should be in time. Okay, to supply the materials in time. And next, to give maximum client service. Next one is to reduce or minimize the investment in inventories. And next point is to avoid the shortage of stock. Okay, and next one is to minimize the losses. And next one is to minimize the losses. And next one is to minimize idle time by avoiding stockouts and shortages. Okay, and next one is control of stock volumes, and next one is control of stock distribution. And another point is there, that is to meet unforeseen future demand. Future demand. Okay, so these are the objectives of inventory control. Okay, so this is about the some important introduction of inventory controls. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue the class, tomorrow or next Monday, I think, no?